If he has 20, I have 23, and he has 25, then we would all, I would take 3 out, he would take 5 out, so we would all have 20, and adding 20 plus 20 plus 20, that would be 60.
Okay, do you see that, Ethan? That's an equal, everybody has an equal group then, right? But what do you do with the other extras?
You just leave them out until you divide these, and then you would divide those.
Okay, so you know that you have 3 equal groups of 20?
Because adding these two, that would be 8, and that's in number.
Okay, and what do you do with those 8?
You could divide it equally after you divide the 20s.
Okay, try that. See if it works.
So 60 divided into 3 would
That's okay, don't worry about your division number model yet. First actually act it out. And then think about how you can put it in a number model. Put your extras together in one pile. Is that what you're going to do? Okay. Now what do you need to do?
Everybody already has an equal number. Split it now. Everybody has 20. So I thought all you would have to do is divide the 8 now.
Okay, try that and see if it works. How would you do that? You have to physically divide them out.
We couldn't do 2 because we would need someone else. And we can't do 3 because there's not an extra one.
You can't do 2?
Well, there's 2.
So can each of you have 2 and it would still be fair? And what do you do with the extra 2? You give them to the queen for taxes. Thank you very much. Okay, now think about what you did that and how you could put it in a number model. Okay, go ahead and pass them out to everyone. Now, how many do each person have? Does each person have? 22. Is that fair?
Yeah, everybody has 22 now.
Okay, think about how you can put that in the number model.
We found out that we had 60 altogether, so 60 divided by 3 equals 20. So each of us got 20, except we had an extra one left, so we just split it in 3.
Ah, you split it into
3 thirds.
Thirds. Ooh, I like that. Was that fair? Can you put it in a number model? You got to put the number model on your paper. Have y'all thought about that yet?
What? What do you mean? Leftover, we had some leftover.
Question number 6. Blank divided by blank equals blank?
Yeah. 60 divided by 3 equals 4.
There you go.
20. 0 is
good.
0 is
34 seeds, so we did 34 divided by 2 equals
Miss Mason, we have something wrong.
because there's only 2 pieces. That's how we got our idea.
Okay, so how many did you get in all? And what's your number model?
34 divided by 2 is equal.
Did you have any left over?
No, because I had 18 and he had 17, so I gave him 1.
Okay, so is it fair now?
Yes.
Good.
Their strategy did not work.
Okay, what was your other... Okay, so you've decided to do what?
Divide them by 10.
Divide them by 10. Okay, so if you divide them by 10, how many is each person going to get to start with?
10.
Go ahead and divide them. Give everybody 10.
Okay. 2 times 10 equals 66. I don't know.
Count them. Hello.
Yeah, I gave you no right there. Okay. And then... That was half. I just put in half of them. Does that count, Miss Mason? It being half?
Well, let's see. You tell me. Yes, if it's more than half, it counts as one.
Okay.
again.
Okay, so does everybody have 10?
Yes.
And then what are you doing now?
Giving everyone 10 more.
Aha, give everybody 10 more. Everybody take 10 more. Good idea. Everybody work together.
10.
Okay, now how many does everybody have?
20.
Okay, so if each of you have 20, how much is that in all? How many is that?
40. 60. 20, 40, 60.
Okay, so everybody has 60. Do we still have some left? Can you divide it into 10? How many do you have left?
Maybe. 10.
11, 12. Can you divide 12 among the three of you?
Well, we all got 22. 22.
What three numbers do you put together that would equal 12?
4.
Same numbers. Okay, so
3
try.
times 4 equals 12.
Okay, so how many would each person get?
4, 8, 12. There's 3 of us. What is 22? No, that was... We all have the same.
Okay, now how many does each person have?
24, 24, and 24.
Does that mean or is that fair?
There.
That's fair.
Okay, so 20, okay, 60, and then 4 plus 4 equals 8, so 69, 70, 71, 72, 72.
Okay. What number model could you use for division? Start with your whole group first. How many did you have in all at the beginning?
72 divided by 10 equals 72.
Okay, 72 divided by, how many do you,
10.
divided by how many groups did you have?
Because we already divided them. We had, how many did you have taken? 25. 10.
Now how many groups are you putting them into?
3.
3 groups. So 72 divided by 3.
How much did you get when you added 23, 20, and 25? We ended up with 10. I have 20. Wait. 24.
Good. There you go. You just did division. You did it first. How many did y'all have to start with?
Well, I had 21. Yeah, 27. Yeah.
How was that all together? When you put them together, how many did you have?
63.
63 in all. Okay. And how did you divide them?
Well, I gave 3 to, I gave 6 to him. So we divided them by 21 because that was the only equal way. Cause we have but then when I counted them, I ended up with 20. And I ended up with 20, and he ended up with 21.
So is it fair still?
No. He has one more than I can't give it all.
Who has one more? You do? Okay, so that's the one you have left over, right?
Yay!
That's taxes for the queen.
Yes, but then we would only have 6.
You can keep it. Okay, but how did y'all figure out to divide them? What did you do? Explain to me how you made it equal.
Divided by 21.
Okay, right. 60, no, not divided by 21. How many groups were you putting them into?
3.
3 groups, so it's, what was it, 61 divided by 3?
63.
63 divided by 3? Okay, you writing that number model down, Jackson? 63 divided by